For more than 100 years, we team with our customers quite successfully in a wide range of services. In the recent years, we are faced with a high level of complexity, higher demand for sustainability, digitalization and artificial intelligence, lack of skilled labor, high level of bureaucracy, quite a lot to name. Our strategy for the future is to tackle this kind of complexity by enabling our customers as well as us to become better, to be faster, to be more productive. All of that we call efficiency enhancement. Efficiency enhancement always has a component of sustainability. That's the reason why our vision is to be the number one in enhancing efficiency and sustainability for our customers as well as us. We do that with two main directions, what we call two main strategic levers. One is the operational excellence, which focus on our own doing, and the other one is the new positioning, where we work with our clients predominantly. So let's see how we do it.
The first strategic lever is operational excellence, and this is all about constantly getting better in what we do and how we do it, to the benefit of our customers. I am Oksana Roman, and as a global product manager maintenance, I want to have a look into how we put that into practice. Operational excellence involves standardizing and bundling our services to create unified and comprehensive solutions. In addition, we focus on de-risking operations and improvement of procurement strategies throughout all Bilfinger organizations. To this end, we have set up 9 global product centers that are in charge of delivering our solutions professionally and at the same high level of quality across all Bilfinger regions and markets. One example is Bilfinger maintenance solution that we deliver to the Swiss pharma company Siegfried here in Zofingen. In maintenance, our mission is to create value for our customers through cost-efficient and transparent solutions, increased reliability of equipment, proper work quality, and in an efficient and sustainable manner. So, Bilfinger Maintenance Solution is a state-of-the-art toolbox covering all important aspects in maintenance. And it is designed to bring the customer tangible results and optimization effects, such as downtime reduction, labor efficiency, and resource optimization due to properly planned and scheduled maintenance tasks.
The most important aspect of getting better is to improve the skills and performance of every one of us at Team Bilfinger. My name is Alexander Erchalski and I am an industrial electrician for Bilfinger in Switzerland. Bilfinger invests in training, knowledge transfer and professional development. This helps us to become more efficient and improves our safety standards. At the same time, we use automation and digitalization to simplify our internal processes. This makes our work smart.
While the focus of the first strategic lever is internal, the second one is focusing on external perspective. Let's talk about positioning. I'm Ryan Verijn and I work as asset management consultant for Bilfinger in the Netherlands. At Bilfinger, we want to be the solution partner of choice for our customers. Our goal is to make our customers more efficient and sustainable and in the end more profitable. To achieve this, we provide comprehensive industrial services in our core markets. These are the energy, chemical and petrochemical, pharma and biopharma, and oil and gas market. With our sustainable services, we grow within our existing regions, as well moving into regions nearby. On top of that, we also consider taking over businesses, where this will help us to meet our strategic goals. As one of the 2,700 colleagues who just recently joined Team Bilfinger in the course of an acquisition, I am excited to be part of this journey. Let's go and meet one of my colleagues.
To be the solution partner for our customers, we offer cutting-edge solutions that drives the industry we serve forward. Innovation and digitalization are a crucial part of this, as we use advanced tools that make our work easier every day. My name is Gerben van der Voort and I'm Chief Foreman here at Bilfinger in Rotterdam. Safety is an important aspect for us here at Bilfinger, for our customers and for our own sustainability. We position ourselves as a sustainability partner for our customers. Our own sustainability is vital to our strategy that involves continuously reducing our carbon footprint, complying with rules and regulations, and caring for the development of our team Bilfinger.
We have a clear strategy for the future. We need all of us, we need you, to become number one in enhancing efficiency and sustainability for our customers and ourselves. Thank you.